While surfing on Google, you probably have noticed that only a few websites like Wikipedia, Britannica rank in the first 10 positions for many keywords. When you see this, have you ever asked yourself, why is it so? Why do they have so much authority over Google? And most importantly, how does Google decide whom to rank at the top and whom not to rank? Well, Google ranks a web page considering various factors. Google never tells us all the factors they consider, and it never will. But a few major factors help you rank your website on Google, which these authoritative websites have already mastered. Hi, this is Sumit from Paper Video, and in this video we'll explain 5 Google ranking factors that will help you rank your website. All of these factors are major ones and you must work on all of them. So watch the video till the end. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Earlier, I told you that Google doesn't tell us most of the factors, but they do tell a few, one of which is security of your site. In 2014, Google officially added HTTPS as a ranking factor. In the Google Search Central blog, they stated, over the past few months, we have been running tests taking into account whether sites use secure encrypted connections as a signal in our search ranking algorithms. We have seen positive results, so we are starting to use HTTPS as a ranking signal. Your website will be by default HTTP, which you have to make HTTPS. If you don't know what's HTTP or HTTPS, let me explain you in brief. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which you will see at the start of every URL. HTTPS is the same protocol, but it's secure, which appears only if the website has an SSL certificate. The lock sign you see in the browser URL in the left corner only appears if you have an SSL certificate. Hence, you have to buy an SSL certificate for your website. Some hosting services may provide an SSL certificate for free, so check your website URL first. If you already don't receive one, then buy one. If you already have HTTPS on the website, please check the security level by visiting sslabs.com/SSL-test/as Google recommends. It will grade the security of your domain. Although just being secure is not enough, your website also needs an easy to view on all types of devices. As people are using mobile the most, your website must work on mobile better. Because mobile responsiveness is one of the significant factors which Google considers. On Google's Search Central blog, they stated we'll be expanding our use of mobile friendliness as a ranking signal. This change will affect mobile searches in all languages worldwide and will have a significant impact on our search results. So, you can see now how essential it is for you to make your website mobile friendly. If you are using CMS like WordPress, many of the themes are mobile friendly. So to check if your website is currently mobile friendly or not, you can just take mobile friendly offered by Google. If your website is not mobile friendly, you or your web developer have to work on it. You can also check the guide offered by Google. I'll just add the guide link in the description below and you can check that later. After your website becomes secure and responsive, what you require is great content. On your website, when Google ranks your web page, it is based on what is written on the web page. The most important thing for your content to rank on Google is its relevance to the visitor's search query. If your content is relevant to the query, then there are higher chances that you will get ranked. To make your content great, do the following things. Do keyword research and choose a keyword that you want to target. Add keywords to your content, heading and title. Write unique and comprehensive content that actually helps the viewer. Write content that satisfies the search intent of a user. Add optimized images, infographics, videos, lists, etc. to your content. Keep updating your content every time. Add intent and relevant external links to your website. Also, do not stuff keywords unnecessarily. Do not add too many links to the content. This way you will create content which Google will love and even the visitors. Although writing great content is not easy without tools, so we came up with an article mentioning 9 absolutely free content writing tools which you can use. The link will be in the description below. However, great content may not be enough if you are in a competitive niche. Because there's one thing which you may need to compete with other websites. I'm talking about backlink here. Before telling you its importance, let me tell you what backlinks are actually. Backlinks are your website links that are mentioned on other websites. For example, if you link a Wikipedia page to your blog, that link is a backlink for Wikipedia. Like this, if someone links your website link on their website, then it's a backlink for you. It has been seen that websites with more backlinks often rank better than ones with fewer backlinks. Hence, you require a backlink to your website. Although it is not that easy, it is not just the game of numbers. While you get a backlink, it is important that the backlink should be from a relevant source. It's better if the backlink is a do follow link. It's better if the website mentioning your link is an authoritative website. It's even better if the backlink is an editorial link. So keep all these things in mind when you do your link building process. The best way to do this kind of link is by doing email outreach, where you email other website owners asking to link your relevant web page. Broken link building, whether you ask other site owners to link your web page, replacing the broken links. Guest post, where you write an article on other sites for a backlink, and also by writing great content which eventually gets backlinked without any campaign. And many other ways. After you make your site secure and responsive, add great content which is worthy of ranking, and also succeed to get your website a good amount of backlinks, there's still one thing that remains which you need to take care of your website, and that's speed your website. Because you may get ranked by writing great content and getting backlinks, but it may be of no use if your website loads slowly. Because studies say that a user may leave your website if it doesn't load within 3 seconds. Google always tries to give a great experience to its users. Hence, the speed of a website is an official ranking factor. So, you have to check if your website loads faster or not. For that, you can use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights, GTmetrix, etc. These tools will help you to identify issues if your website is running slow. You can take the help of your developers to resolve these issues. In conclusion, we can say that Google focuses on providing the best, fast, and secure experience to its users. Google knows that if they can provide a better experience to its users, then they will trust Google more and keep coming back. Thus, if you want to get ranked on Google, you also need to think like Google. Don't create content to impress Google. Make content to impress your audience, and Google will get impressed eventually. That is all I can say to you. If you think this video is informative, please like and share and subscribe to Paper Video. Thank you so much for watching.